Did Mom get kidnapped?
What? Now don't be ridiculous.
I guess you're right. The news thinks women are worthless once they turn 30 anyway.
Well, Jesus Christ, they're not wrong.
Oh, hey, didn't know you worked here? That's pretty cool. I should come here more often.
Fuck off! Die! Kill yourself!
I guess Pizza Hut comes with free heart palpitations now.
What even is the recession?
I don't know, but it's a thing you can blame shit on. The recession's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah, I'm broke because the recession.
Yeah, can't have dinner with your vegan parents, recession.
Sorry, but no can do. Recession and all.
Bitch, don't lie to us.
Oh, Jessica!
Don't hit me!
Be grateful somebody even wants you in the first place.
Oh, I want to kill you.
Hello? Hey, Craig. Yeah, I'd love to donate to that underprivileged youth program.
He donates to charity. How could he abuse his daughter?
It's kind of cool how you could just shit on the floor at Kmart and there'd be no change in aesthetic.
Fuck you, I love Kmart.